Hey, what's up, guys? This is a quick reminder and tutorial on how to deploy the app. Again, we're working with the incremental approach when building these apps. So we're going step by step, and we want to test as we go. So if, let's say, I've added these buttons into my app, and it should have an audio file to play measles or meningitis, and I want to test it because I've coded it to play and to work when clicked. I've designed it and added my buttons, but now I need to test it. So remember, you just go up to connect, and we're going to open up the AI companion. When I say open up the AI companion, it's our tool where we can test our app. Since you're on Chromebooks, MIT did a solid for us and actually deploys it on our Chromebooks. If you were to have it on your phone, you would download the app and you could deploy it by scanning a QR code on your phone, and you have to be on the same Wi-Fi. But since we're working on Chromebooks, we're going to deploy our app on Chromebook. So again, go to Connect, go to Chromebook, and you'll see a little pop-up like this. Now it's real temperamental, so I'm not going to click anything or even move my mouse because sometimes it gets really temperamental and won't deploy properly. Okay, so here is our little simulator emulator of our app that we made, and you can actually, I'm going to minimize the screen here and kind of do a split screen deal, because you can code and design in real time. Let me move my face out of the picture here. Okay, so if I'm working on this button, and let's say I added it, it will show up here, and it will do everything I do in real time. Even when I code, it will code in real time, and that way we can try it out. So I've already designed it how I want it. I've already coded it how I want it. So let me see here. So if I go to my blocks, there we go. I've coded it how I wanted it, designed it. Now I want to test it.
Measles is a highly contagious respiratory infection caused by a virus.
If I click it again, I paused it because I've coded it to pause when clicked. Then I go to meningitis.
Bacterial meningitis is a contagious viral infection that causes inflammation of the membranes that
If I
cover
click
the
on
brain
measles,
and spinal. Measles is a highly contagious
plays measles
respiratory
again,
infection.
click on meningitis.
Bacterial meningitis is a contagious viral.
Because you saw in the original block code that PLTW gave you, it was a generic code of getting it to play, but there was a hiccup. They played on top of each other. It was a little bit of an annoyance. So I wanted you to try out an extension of getting them to pause and stop when clicked. Okay, so that's how you deploy and test your app. Remember, it's under your connect, and you connect to your Chromebook. That's it. And oh, let me show you one more thing. If I switch my screens to vector and I'm working on this screen, it's over here as well.
Malaria is an infection caused by a dingy fever. Malaria is an infection caused by a plasmodium.
If I hit the back button,
transmitted by mosquitoes.
It takes me to the original screen. But there's another little annoyance there. If I hit the back button, the audio is still playing, so we need to code something there as well. Okay, and that's it.